SiYuan is quickly becoming a favorite in 2025 among users who care about privacy and full control over their notes. It's an open-source personal knowledge management (PKM) tool that stands out for its offline-first approach and flexible, block-based editing system. By combining WYSIWYG markdown editing with rich features like backlinks, block references, math support, Gantt charts, diagrams, and even AI writing help via OpenAI, SiYuan offers a powerful note-taking experience. One of SiYuan's biggest advantages is that all your content is stored locally by default, keeping it accessible even without an internet connection and reducing the risks that come with cloud-only platforms. This gives privacy-focused users peace of mind. The software also includes features like multi-tab editing, drag-and-drop split views, and a wide range of export formats, Markdown, PDF, Word, HTML, making it ideal for students, researchers, and anyone handling large volumes of information. In terms of user experience, SiYuan handles massive documents, up to 1 million words, with minimal lag. Its interface blends structure with flexibility, and it continues to grow through a plug-in ecosystem. It even supports flashcards with spaced repetition, database-style tables, and has mobile apps available for Android, iOS, and Harmony OS. Still, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the tool is open source, some newer features like S3 and WebDAV Sync are now part of a paid tier, which may disappoint users expecting full open source access. And because SiYuan is offline first, users must manually set up their own backup systems. If your device is lost without a backup, your notes go with it. There's also a steeper learning curve if you want to master advanced features like block referencing or custom templates. On the pricing side, core features are free and allowed for commercial use, while premium plans unlock advanced plugins, syncing capabilities, and customer support. This strikes a balance between keeping the platform accessible and supporting ongoing development. SiYuan strongly values privacy. It doesn't collect or share user data, and it meets high legal and ethical standards. Creating content with SiYuan also fully complies with YouTube's rules, making it a safe and legitimate productivity tool to feature in videos. So, is SiYuan worth using in 2025? If you're a researcher, writer, or privacy-minded user looking for a flexible, local-first knowledge system that supports deep customization and offline functionality, it's absolutely worth checking out. But if seamless cloud sync or fully free open-source syncing is a priority, you might need to look into additional tools or consider a premium upgrade. Thanks for watching this honest SiYuan overview. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech reviews. Got questions or your own SiYuan tips? Drop them in the comments.